the six straight back to the street, scraping the bumper with the sounds for the summer that be thumping and hopping up the show on a Sunday with a fun day. Dips get tripping.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Dr. Ross and I are currently at a flight museum right now, and behind us is the Flying Pancake.
Exactly. We're taking in a bit of history right now, looking at different planes from way back.
And we're absorbing a bit of everything.
Exactly.
As you know, I'm global. But let's move into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Salt and Peppa's new documentary coming out. And Dr. Ross, I just have to say one thing about this. I've seen everyone with their new documentaries out. Dr. Ross and I are going to have our own documentary out, matter of fact.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Christy Brinkley. So Christy Brinkley at 66 is showing off her perfect abs in a bikini shot.
I saw that International King, and the thing I want to say is, you look scandalous. Put your votes in, everyone. Put your votes in. You might be our next She's Hot winner for next week. So keep being scandalous and keep doing you.
We should put in the one song, Dr. Ross, with the, it's either Beyonce or...
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
A quick note from International King. I meant to say Fergie with her song Glamorous. I got it a little mixed up, but Glamorous still has the scandalous curve to it. Let's get back into our hot topics.
For our final hot topic, I know we all saw it at the inauguration when Bernie Sanders had came there, and he sat down by himself and people kept editing him in different places. So Cardi B went and joked that she was on set for the WAP with Bernie Sanders sitting next to her. So
Sit down, Cardi B. Put us in your next music video. Call it International King. Global. These were all of our hot topics, but for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. I'd like to take you flying one day, and not in the pancake. We out.